Hey guys, I want to show you a new animation that you can do in Headquarters. This is a glitch. You're not supposed to be able to do this, but you can crawl around prone, you can melee, and you can do some other really weird stuff with some of the emotes. This glitch is fairly easy to do. I'd say it's a lot easier as far as like timing goes than the butt slide method. This you'll probably get within a minute or so. It's really not difficult. First thing you want to do is come to the firing range, and you want to make sure your division is set on armored, and then you need to load up a gun that has a bipod attachment. So an MG15 is a perfect choice. Once you have that gun ready to go, you want to make sure that armored is the soldier that you have set for Headquarters. Once you have that set up, you can back out of the menus and then make sure you're holding the gun that has the bipod. So I've got the MG15 here. You want to go over to the base of the stairs, and this is where it's going to put you into third person and take you out of first person. So you want to get right on that edge at the bottom of the stairs. What you're trying to do is go prone and just get right to the very edge of where it like forces you to go into third person. And what you want to do is when you're on that edge and about to be put into third person, you want to hit left on your D-pad and push forward at the same time. And if you do it correctly and the timing is correctly, it will glitch you out. You will know that you got your timing correct because you can immediately go into prone and start crawling around Headquarters. And again, the timing is not too tricky. It's a lot easier than the other animation glitches. You just want to go prone on the edge and then hit left on your D-pad and push forward at the same time very, very quickly. And yeah, you should be able to get this no problem. What's cool about this glitch is that like not many people know about this yet. So if you're in Headquarters doing this, yeah, you're definitely gonna surprise a lot of people. Another ability that you do get with this glitch and you're not supposed to have is the ability to melee. If you grab one of the hidden balls, you can melee with that. You can even go prone and melee, and yeah, again, that will probably surprise people. I do find the crawling when you're prone kind of fast. I don't think that's a normal speed. It looks pretty hilarious. There's some other really interesting animation glitches that you can do because of this glitch, so you got to get glitched out first, and there are some emotes that just go crazy with it. From what I've seen, the mime is something that you can do something crazy with, and also the backflip. Now, I don't have access to either of those, so I can't show you. You can unglitch yourself by going back into like the firing range area and probably the 1v1. I haven't tried that yet, but I'm sure it works. I would say within the next week or so, the Headquarters is going to be filled with people doing this. It should be pretty funny, but I hope this helped you guys out, and we'll see you next video.